Need a reliable, spacious event tent for any weather? Meet the Quictent Premium 20x40 Party Tent. Transform outdoor events with professional-grade shelter. Perfect for weddings, festivals, craft fairs, and corporate parties. Imagine hosting 80-plus guests comfortably under one roof. No more worrying about unpredictable weather. Heavy-duty windproof frame ensures stability in strong winds. Triple reinforced structure. Steel ground frame locks the base. Corner support beams create a unique triangle structure. Cross-steel cables prevent water accumulation on the roof. Lab-tested to withstand winds up to 40 mph when anchored. Setup is quick and efficient, just 2.5 hours with 4 to 5 adults. Labeled coded parts and step-by-step installation video included. Ideal for event planners needing reliable large-scale setups. Spacious 20 by 40 feet design fits tables, chairs, and decor easily. Host elegant wedding receptions, lively barbecues, or business events. 180G thickened polyethylene fabric offers superior protection. 100% waterproof with IPX5 2000mm grade. No leaks, no worries. UPF 40 plus blocks 99% of harmful UV rays for safe gatherings. 12 removable sidewalls allow customizable airflow and privacy. Dual zipper doors offer flexible entry and exit options. Adjustable sidewalls create cooling cross breezes in summer. Enclose walls to retain warmth during chilly seasons. Enjoy year-round comfort for any outdoor celebration. Elegant church-style windows enhance natural light and views. Create a scenic, upscale atmosphere for your guests. Hot dip galvanized steel structure resists corrosion and rust. Full welding ensures long-lasting durability for outdoor use. 38.1mm hot galvanized pipes provide robust support. 400 ohms total weight capacity, built for heavy-duty needs. 1,700 pounds load capacity supports tables, chairs, and equipment. Weather-resistant design keeps guests and assets protected. Easy-to-clean 180G PE fabric simplifies post-event maintenance. 6 durable Oxford storage bags included for easy transport. Protect components from wear and tear during storage. Convenient handles make setup and tear-down logistics effortless. Ideal for merchants, event organizers, and rental businesses. Flexible configurations suit weddings, banquets, and exhibitions. Reinforced anchoring systems for high-wind environments. Reliable shelter solution for experienced professionals. Amazon Transparency Program guarantees product authenticity. Scan and verify each unit for peace of mind. Brand dedication to authenticity and customer satisfaction. Lifetime replacement for connectors, stakes, and ropes. 1-year coverage for poles and covers. Expert customer service responds within 12 hours. Get professional solutions for any setup challenge. Important: tent material is not fireproof. Always keep away from open flames and ignition sources. Designed for safety and long-term reliability. Host worry-free events, rain or shine. Accommodate up to 4 vehicles for parking solutions. Ideal for auto dealerships, fleet operators, and event parking. Robust weather-resistant construction for industrial applications. Store, transport, and reuse with confidence. Effortless logistics for busy event planners. Upgrade your outdoor event experience today. Make every gathering memorable and comfortable. Impress clients and guests with elegant, reliable shelter. Choose Quictent for professional-grade event solutions. Enjoy peace of mind with top-tier protection. Maximize guest comfort with optimized airflow. Create private, cozy spaces for intimate celebrations. Host large-scale events with ease and efficiency. No more last-minute weather worries or cramped spaces. Set up quickly. Enjoy more time with your guests. Trust Quictent for durability, safety, and style. Ready to elevate your next outdoor event? Order your Quictent Premium 20x40 Party Tent now. Experience the upgraded difference. Make every event unforgettable.